How to log out of the DeepSeek app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of the DeepSeek app. Whether you have shared device or just want to sign out, it's really simple. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the DeepSeek app. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the two dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And the pop-up menu will appear. In the pop-up menu, you can see the profile email at the bottom. Simply tap on that and you'll be prompted to the profile section. In this section, you can see the option labeled logout. Simply tap on that and the confirmation message will pop out. From there, you have to simply tap on logout, and after tapping on that, you will be logged out of your DeepSeek account. And that's it. That's how you can log out of the DeepSeek app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.